Hi, welcome to the QMS channel. I'm Tracy Ryan, and today I'm going to talk about the main differences between the ISO 9001 and ISO 7101 standards. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, comment, and share it with colleagues so that they can also better understand these standards and how to apply them in healthcare organizations. ISO 7101 and ISO 9001 deal with quality management systems. Both have this objective. However, ISO 9001 is generic, applicable to various types of organizations in any segment. ISO 7101, on the other hand, was developed specifically for organizations that provide healthcare. It is important to note that the arrival of ISO 7101 does not replace other accreditation standards or methodologies. On the contrary, it is another management tool, extremely relevant for healthcare organizations seeking a culture of quality, more effective processes, better results, and, of course, greater credibility. In addition, ISO 7101 opens up the possibility of certification, bringing requirements focused on patient safety and the customer or user experience of healthcare services. Main differences. The major difference between the two standards appears in Section 8, Operation. In ISO 9001, Section 8 is considered the heart of the standard. It is here that each organization, regardless of industry, describes how it works, maps processes, defines inputs and outputs, manages compliance, and focuses on customer satisfaction. Because it is generic, it can be applied equally to healthcare, manufacturing, commerce, education, and other sectors. In ISO 7101, Section 8 also addresses processes, controls, and quality management, but in a much more specific way for the healthcare sector. Among the additional requirements, the following stand out: user experience, focus on patients and users of health services, workforce well-being, valuing healthcare employees, social and environmental responsibility, including equity, inclusion, diversity, waste management, and waste reduction, compassionate care, empathy, respect, and dignity in customer service, patient safety, aligned with international safety goals, covering everything from diagnoses to blood transfusions, as applicable to the service. The more standards there are, the more information needs to be communicated within the company. And that is precisely where the difficulty arises: how to convey the policy clearly to all employees, what all standards require in the policy. Despite differences in focus, they all have points in common: establishment, implementation, and maintenance of the policy by senior management, alignment with the context and purpose of the organization, commitment to continuous improvement, communication of the policy internally, and availability to interested parties. And each standard adds specific aspects. ISO 9001, focus on quality objectives and customer satisfaction. ISO 14001, focus on environmental protection, pollution prevention, and compliance obligations. ISO 45001, focus on safe and healthy working conditions, elimination of hazards, risk reduction, and worker participation. While ISO 9001 provides general requirements for any organization, ISO 7101 delves deeper into essential aspects of the healthcare sector, focusing on the experience, safety, and well-being of patients and professionals. I hope this content has clarified the differences between ISO 9001 and ISO 7101. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to stay tuned for the upcoming content. See you next time.